ghetto bitches think they're bad. She is a special bad. I told you, devil. I would come back for your fucking ass. No, that's not her name. Her name is Cyan Powers. She's doing her own work because she's upset with me. Let me see who's gonna beat me just so. You think you could just tell me what the fuck and beat me up and tell me go? Make me move now. You bad. You bad. So defeat me now, devil. Try it. Try. And you will see what I will do this morning. 1. I'm giving you 3 chances. 2. She's working. 3. Your fucking ass did not move yet now, did you? Somebody call the cops. I'm getting arrested. You're gonna get on that fucking bus and you're not gonna touch me. I said you're gonna do it and you'll do it.